I'm sorry, sweetheart. We'll talk about this later. You were my beta first, Scott. It was my bite that changed your life. And my bite that can end it.
Then end it, Peter. Because you won't get another chance. You were never an alpha, Peter. You were always a monster.